Learning target for this guy is I can sketch polynomials given standard and factored form. Okay, so when we're trying to find the y-intercept in standard form, we need to set x equal to 0. To 0, we're going to get y equals 4 times 0 squared plus 3 times 0 minus 9. So I'm going to get y equals 4. 0 squared is 0. 4 times 0 plus 3 times 0 is 0 minus 9. So I'm going to get y equals 4 times 0 is 0 plus 0 minus 9. So my y-intercept is y equals negative 9. Oops, sorry. Now finding our y-intercept of this guy. Set each of our x is equal to 0. So you're going to get y equals 0 minus 9 times 0 plus 3 times 0 minus 4. So y equals 0 minus 9 is negative 9. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So y equals negative 9 times 3 times negative 4. Pull your calculator out, and what do you get? If you got 108, you are correct because that negative times that negative gives us a positive. So y equals 108. That's a pretty crazy y-intercept. Okay, how to find the y-intercept in factored form. Set each x equal to 0. How to find the leading coefficient in factored form. In order to do this guy, you're going to multiply each x together. So for example, if we have y equals x minus 9 times 2x plus 5, we're just going to multiply this guy and this guy together. So my leading coefficient is going to be 2x times x to give me 2x squared as my leading coefficient. Multiply each x together. Y-intercepts and key features of the following polynomial. If I'm looking for my y-intercept, I set x equal to 0, y equals 0 plus 1 times 0 minus 2 times 0 plus 4. So I get y equals 1 times negative 2 times 4. So 1 times negative 2 gives me negative 2. Negative 2 times 4 gives me negative 8. So my y-intercept is at negative 8. Let's go ahead and graph that y-intercept really quickly first. So go down here to our y-intercept of negative 8. Plotted our negative 8 y-intercept. Let's figure out what our degree is. If I have 1, 2, 3 x's, my degree is 3. Let's find our roots. We set each factor equal to 1. X plus 1 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0. So subtract 1 from both sides. I get x equals negative 1. Add 2 to both sides. You get x equals 2. Subtract 4 from both sides. You get x equals negative 4. Let's plot our roots. We're at negative 1. Oops, we're at negative 1, positive 2, and negative 4. Okay. Max, min, leading coefficient, and end behavior. We don't know those yet. We can figure out our end behavior. We're a degree of 3, so meaning we're odd. Are we positive or negative? Do we have a positive here or a negative here? We're positive. So odd, positive. We look like this. So going down here, we are ending here, starting there, ending here. And we already know where our y-intercept is. So we're going to go up, come down, and now we can approximate where we're going to cross at our y-intercept and go right back up. You cannot cross if you do not have an x-intercept. Okay, so it's important to know you can't cross if you don't have an x-intercept. Let's write our end behavior down. As x goes to infinity, f of x goes to infinity. As x goes to negative infinity, f of x goes to negative infinity. My leading coefficient, we already said, was positive. I have one max and one min. One max, one min. All right, let's work on this box problem. Find the volume of the box of the lid if we have to cut out the four corners. So what it's saying is cut these corners out. Okay, cut out, cut out, cut out, cut out. If I'm cutting that out, then really I only have this distance right here of 20 minus 2x. And I have this distance right here of 8 minus 2x. So I have my length of 20 minus 2x, my width of 8 minus 2x, and my height. Think about it. If these were to be folded up, x would be my height. Okay, so let's write that down. Length of 20 minus 2x, width of x minus 8 minus 2x, and height of x. So if I'm looking for my volume, I'm going to get 20 minus 2x times 8 minus 2x times x. I want to have this x multiplied into here first. So I'm going to get volume, distribute my x to only what's in here. So 20 minus 2x, I'm still going to keep it, times 8x minus 2x squared. You can either choose to FOIL this or use the box method. I'll show you the box method. So I'm going to have 20 minus 2x here, 8x minus 2x squared here. 20 times 8x is going to give me 160x. Negative 2 times negative 2x times 8x is going to be negative 16x squared. 20 times negative 2 is negative 40x squared. And negative 2x times negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives me a positive 4x cubed. So my volume, well, I'm going to write in standard form. So my highest degree needs to be first. 4x cubed. Okay. Here's my like term. So negative 16 plus negative 40 gives me negative 56x squared. So those are done. And my last one that doesn't have like term is 160x. So that's my volume of the box.